this is a review of the LEVOIT Air Purifier that I would highly recommend. This air purifier is like one of the best things I bought so far, and it's been a good add-on to my house, and it's provided efficient air, good air quality, and what it does, like as you guys know, is that it reduces the allergies and pretty much it stops the sneezing and pretty much all the allergies that you see around your home. It will take it all of it up, and it will feed, like, go inside and pretty much deliver clean air quality to your home. That is something that's really important to have, especially if you are sneezing a lot and pretty much allergies. There's a lot of allergies in the home. This is something that is extremely important to have in your home. One of the things I want to talk about is that you see an on button right here. So when I press this on button, it's a touchless touchscreen. It turns on, and you see that it turns on right here. You could hear it is pretty quiet, but you can actually have it even more quieter than that, especially if you go sleep at night. Then you can have it even more quieter so it doesn't disturb you at night, late at night. And this mode right here is the night mode. So pretty much you can see that it becomes a little bit more quieter. And so if you're sleeping at night, this will help you. You could it's not really that loud as it is, but this button, it does help when you are trying to sleep at night and you don't want to hear it at all. Then this is the button you press. This right here, so this offers 3 different fan modes. So you can have it from light, then you could go with like 3 different settings. So I could show you guys, take this out right here and turn it on, and then you can see that it goes higher mode too. So if you want to add high mode, and this is the max level it goes to, so it is pretty it does get pretty loud. So that's right there, and that's night mode right there. This is a stop timer mode right here. So let me turn this down. When I press this button, it could give you a preference of how long you want to have it on for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. Then this button right over here is you could have it where the lights are off. So if you're sleeping at night and you don't want any lights or something to come in your room, you could have it off, and then the display mode, there's no light or something that will disturb you at night. So that's a cool little add-on right there. And then right here is your the filter button. So this button, it does tend to become red, and what that means is that then it's time to change your air filter. And right now it's not on red, and neither I have it on, but I'm going to show you guys on the back side of it, like how the filter is and what exactly is. But mine is not on. That means my filter is clean. But what I like about it is that it indicates you, alerts you about when it's time to change your filter. So, and then right here we have the lock button right here. So if you have like some like little kids or someone in your house, like kids, and they like to go mess around or play the buttons and all of that stuff, then you could have it in that mode where they cannot really press it or change the modes of it. So that's a huge plus right there. So they like if there's like some little kids, they want to like press these buttons, they can't really do that because it's on a lock button function mode. So that's a huge plus right there. I love that feature right there. So let's go turn that off right there. And yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just flip it over on the back and show you guys the air filter and how exactly it is and how you pretty much change it. So you can see on the back side of it, there's 4 grommets that pretty much hold it in place. So if you have it on the tiles, then it will protect it from falling down. That's something I like about it, but I have it on carpet, so I have to worry about it. But you twist this filter right over here, and pretty much it will come out like this. So this is the air filter. When it's time to change it, you'll see that it gives you a red indicator, but so far my filter is really clean and it's brand new, and I don't need to change it. It'll give you a red indicator to let you and inform you, let you know that it is time to change your air filter. But so far, I absolutely love the LEVOIT Air Purifier. It delivers clean air to your home, and pretty much it has 3 fan speeds. It gives you a sleep mode, a display screen, a display lock, and pretty much a built-in timers as well too, to how long you want to have it on for as well too. I would highly recommend the LEVOIT Air Purifier if you want to reduce the allergies of your home. Then this is probably one of the best products and best add-ons to get for your home.